Alright, so this is just going to be a quick short video. We're going to be replacing the camera on this Lenovo IdeaPad S340-15IIL. Hopefully that's the issue. The camera keeps, sometimes it'll go on and then it'll shut off. Sometimes it won't do anything at all. So let's go ahead and see. We're going to try replacing the camera and hopefully that will resolve the problem. I tried a few things software-wise and it wasn't working, so hopefully it is a hardware issue. Excuse me. Anyways, we have the bezel here. We're going to get underneath. It can be a little difficult because there is some adhesive, so you kind of want to go slowly here. Alright, as you can see, we're kind of just pulling up this piece here, okay? And you want to be careful. I've actually pulled this up already, so it's going to be a little bit easier than if you were starting new. So take your time, just kind of slowly, carefully pull on it, and eventually it should come up, alright? And you want to be careful because you don't want to put too much pressure into the screen. And that's why I like to use my fingers. Some people will say, why don't I use pry tools? Because if you use pry tools, you're basically prying it against the screen. Okay, so you want to be very careful. All right, once you've done that, we're going to pull this bezel part in while we're kind of lifting it up. And again, you want to be very careful not to put too much force into it. Again, we're kind of like twisting the inner part of the bezel to help pull it up. All right, and there we go. All right. You're going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to actually do it this way because normally this is how I would do it, is it would be up like this. And then I would be kind of pulling with this hand out this way while I kind of work my way down and kind of pulling that. Alright, so here we can see the camera. Alright, it looks like this. It's very small and thin. Let me show you the replacement here. The replacement looks like this. Okay, also super tiny. It actually looks a little bit different. There's more metal on this one. This one doesn't have, let me show you here. The metal shield here is a little different. If you look at this, this one goes all the way up. So it could be, if this is a different model, that alone might fix the problem. So let's go ahead and pop out the camera. This is quite a bit tricky. Let me see if I can show you. I'm going to use a very small flathead screwdriver to do this. So let's see if I can show this. We're going to zoom in. And you see there's this connector right there. Let's zoom in more. Oh, geez. There's too much stuff on my desk to move it all the way. But anyways, you got the, let's see here. There's this little groove here that's in the connector. And I use the small flathead screwdriver to kind of pull it away. I know my hand's in the way, but okay. Let's see if I can show it. I'm holding it at an angle now. So you use that and you can kind of pull on that groove. And you kind of want to go left, right to kind of wiggle it out. And there we go. You don't want to just yank it out in one direction because you can end up breaking the plastic or damaging this. All right. I mean, the camera's not working, so it's probably fine. Anyways, we're going to go ahead and to test it, we're just going to get the new camera first. Okay. Take the replacement camera, line this up, and we're just going to plug that in. Okay. Make sure to push on the plastic part. So I'm using my fingernails actually on the two side outer edges of the plastic piece to push it into place. And there we go. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to power up the computer and we're going to test the camera. So let's see. Okay, it is powering on. I don't remember if I need their password or not. I'm going to actually flip this back over. And let me see. Oh, I am probably going to need their password. I don't remember what it was. Shoot, I think it had some 6, 7 for, I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna have to ask them what their PIN was again, and then we'll go from there. I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, so we got logged in, but here's this issue. If you look at this, see what it's doing? It shows the camera, it keeps going, coming back, going, coming back. So something is wrong with this. I'm gonna try restarting the computer one time. And we'll see if that helps, but I don't know. We'll find out. All right, I'll be back once it finishes restarting. It's just doing a regular reboot. All right, see you guys in a bit. Okay, so I restarted the computer. I opened Device Manager. Let's take a look. We got the camera here. At least for now, it's not flashing back and forth. Come on, stop. Okay, there we go. My phone doesn't want to stay focused. Okay, you see easy camera. I'm gonna open the start menu and open the camera app. Oh, and see if anything. Oh no. The moment it tries to open, it's just going crazy again. So I don't know what's going on with that. If there's some weird update that screwed it up. Let me try deleting the camera first and then see if that's gonna help. So I don't think I'm gonna be able, is it gonna stop? Okay, so I see the easy camera there. I'm gonna just push delete. I'm gonna uninstall that. Let's have it search for the cameras again by clicking the, come on, focus, by clicking that icon there. Okay, found the camera again. Is it just going to keep doing that? We're going to open this and go to camera again. And yeah, that's not working. And I can see the light here. You can't really see it, but at least I don't think, oh, can you see that? It's barely flickering this light. So I don't know what's going on with that. I guess we'll have to find out. I don't know if it's the cable or what's going on, but yeah, anyways, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna pop that back out and put the old camera back because it looks like that didn't fix it, and we'll probably go from there. So we're gonna shut it down. But anyways, this was just showing how to replace the camera. Okay, so we're gonna pop this camera out. I'm getting a lot of messages. Let me mute that real quick. Okay, and we're basically just going to pop this thing back out. So if you want, you can go ahead and use the tool again, or I'm going to just pinch the connector and pull it out, kind of wiggle it, work it. There we go. And we're just going to put this thing back in. So let's see what happens if we put this camera back in, if it's still going to go crazy or not. Get that all lined up. Come on, go back in place, please. And I'm wondering, because this cable's kind of coming out from the sleeve. It's kind of weird. Go. There we go. Got that in. And then we just work our way back up, pushing this all back into place. And of course, nothing's going to be fixed because we basically just put back the old camera. But anyways, let's power this back up. And I'm going to see, because the old camera behaved differently. So I'm going to see if it's doing the same thing again like before. And yeah, alright, hold on, I'll be back. Okay, it's starting back up. Alright, let's go back to the camera thing. So now it shows front facing camera, or it like has a thing popping up here, but still nothing is happening. It just keeps flashing this. The other one would just stay black screen, so this is at least something compared to the other one. Let me restart the computer one time. Sometimes restarting it helps, and I'll be back. Okay, it's signing in. Let's go ahead and check the camera again. Oops. I didn't mean to search. Okay, I think it's still doing the same thing. Let's check the device manager. I mean, this now instead of the other camera, it shows integrated camera. So I don't know. Let's uninstall the camera and then see if we install it again. But I think it's completely toast. Something is wrong with this. I don't know if it's something with the operating system. I should see if I can somehow test it with another operating system just to try, because it could be a software issue. Wow, it's taking a while to uninstall this. I'll let that go and I'll be back. Okay, so deleted, it added it back. Let's see what's going on. Still, oh, now it says it can't even start the camera. Let's restart the computer again. Restart again. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, so let's try one more time. I don't think anything's gonna change. Yeah. Oh, it's on. It's on, but is it going to stay on? So you can see it's on. It's, for now it's staying on, but that means we didn't have to change the camera. I mean, I've been trying to do that for a long time and it wasn't working, so I don't know, but for some reason it's staying on now. I'm going to turn it off and we'll try it again. But that's pretty much it. If you somehow broke your camera, hopefully this video will be helpful. Otherwise, if it's going glitchy, it's likely not your camera. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. All right, let's drop this. Bye.